So today I'm going to be making a honey garlic pork chops. So I'm going to go ahead and season my pork chops with some salt. So I have about 4 and they are boneless. So salt and pepper, and on one side I'm just going to add some garlic. Has been heating up. I'm gonna go ahead and add some olive oil. We do want that to get pretty hot. We are gonna fry our pork chops, and we do want it to get a nice golden brown. Okay, so now we're gonna make our honey garlic sauce. I'm gonna add some butter and let that melt. I'm also gonna add some garlic paste. Just blend that all together until it has dissolved. And then I do have some chicken stock, some apple cider vinegar, and some honey. So we're gonna bring this to a boil. It is important that we let this thicken so we can smother it in our pork chops. All right, now it's all done. This is exactly how it should look. Just stir it a little bit, and we're just gonna get that ready for our pork chops. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the pork chops. Make sure that it's nicely covered in the sauce. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more recipes.